In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom HTML or iframe code in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add things like forms, countdowns, or third-party widgets to your Wix page safely and cleanly. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Log in, head to My Sites, choose the site you want, and click Edit Site. Give the editor a moment to load your page so you can work on the exact section where the embed will live. Next, add the embed code element. In the left sidebar, click Add, then Elements. Look for embed code, sometimes labeled embed HTML or popular embeds. Select HTML or custom HTML to drop an HTML box onto your page and drag it roughly where you want the content to appear. You can fine-tune the placement later. Now paste your HTML or iframe code. Click the embedded element on the canvas to open its settings, then choose Enter your own HTML. Paste the full snippet you received from your provider. If it's an iframe, include everything from the opening to the closing iframe tags. Before applying, scan the code for accuracy. Make sure every link starts with HTTPS for secure loading, and check for small syntax errors like missing brackets, stray characters, or mismatched quotes. Tiny typos can break an embed. Render the code by clicking Update or Apply. If you see an error, don't panic. Some scripts are blocked for security reasons, so switch to an iframe version if your provider offers one. It's also smart to recopy the snippet from the original source to avoid hidden formatting issues. While you're in settings, confirm you're in HTML mode, not website address mode, so the code runs instead of being treated like a link. Add accessibility details so everyone can understand the content. With the HTML element selected, open Settings and add a clear title such as Embedded Booking Widget and brief alt text that describes the function, like Event Countdown Timer. Keep it concise and specific. Position and resize the element for a clean layout. Drag it to the exact spot you want, then use the resize handles so the content fits without scroll bars. If you notice scroll bars, increase the height until the entire embed displays properly. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top right. Choose View Site to open your live page and test the embed. Interact with it, confirm it loads quickly, and make sure buttons or forms respond as expected. If something doesn't load, refresh the page and double check that all links use HTTPS and that the full snippet is pasted without typos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.